Oh, great, physicists finally found a way to measure time without having to deal with boring old clocks and pendulums. Because, you know, that's not a recipe for existential dread. Hey, let's just throw some lasers at atoms and hope they don't give us a headache. And what did they discover? That the shape of quantum fog can be used to measure time without a starting point. Yeah, because that's exactly how I like my timelines, all blurry and undefined. And let me get this straight, folks. They're talking about Rydberg atoms, which are basically just overinflated balloons with electrons orbiting around them. It's like the particle kingdom's version of a blow-up unicorn at a kid's birthday party. Hey, look, we can measure time using these tiny, high-energy balloons. What's next? Measuring emotions by studying the migratory patterns of melancholy moths? But seriously, folks, this is actually kinda brilliant. I mean, who needs clocks when you've got quantum fog that's all like, oh, you wanna know when I started being a Rydberg atom? Never mind, I'm too busy orbiting around my nucleus. It's like the universe is just trolling us with its own brand of timekeeping anarchy. But hey, at least it's a new way to measure time that doesn't require any actual brain power.